Hello and welcome back to Wanna Go Racing. Today was a long day on Rallybug. I did a lot of work off camera. It was a bunch of wiring, but the tail lights now work and the headlights work. I made a harness for the headlights here. It runs up here, goes to this side, goes to this connector, everything tees off, goes to the fuse block, flasher, and on Rallybug we're going to start running a key. I'm going to put the camera on the tripod so you guys can see the taillights operate, and then I'm going to put the hood back on, and then we can see those headlights. Turn the key on. We have brake, turn signals, and running lights. I have the reverse wired up. I just need to splice the harness and run it to the transmission switch. That's no big deal. Now let's get that hood on and see the headlights. Alright, I'm going to plug these in and show you the headlights. Turn the key on. They might need to be adjusted a little bit.
Those are bright.
You want to flip the high beams?
Yeah. Is that the other one?
Yeah. All right.
Those are some bright lights.
Yeah.
Awesome.
They do need to be adjusted a little bit. Aim them down. So let's turn those off. Let's see the turn signals.
Back one's working. Look at it look like up front.
That's the right. Now that is bright.
No mistaking what direction you want to turn.
Yep. People will definitely know which way we're turning.
Pretty awesome.
Well, that's it for today. It was a tedious job, but headlights and taillights work. As you can probably tell, I'm getting rained on again for the third time today. So I'm going to call it here. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.